I'm Stacey Brooks for Short Takes with Monica Lindstrom. She is the co-host of The Agenda here on KTAR. She is also the legal expert for Mac and Gatos. Monica, I got a question from Andrew Newman. He emailed asking about what is going on with the Jodi Arias trial.
Oh, yes. Well, this week we were supposed to start jury selection in the retrial of the death penalty phase, but that got pushed back to September 8th because the lead prosecutor, Juan Martinez, actually has another death penalty trial starting in May, and those two would have been in conflict. And since the other trial is older, it has to go first.
All right, so what happens here if the jury does not reach a verdict again? It's up to the judge, is my understanding. What does that mean?
It's actually very interesting. Here in Arizona, the state gets 2 bites at the apple for the death penalty phase. If they cannot convict the jury the first time and they hang, the state has another chance. And if they hang again, which means they can't make the decision, the judge decides whether she gets life or life with the possibility of parole. At that point, no death penalty is on the table.
Is there any way, what's your take on this, that she could possibly walk and get out in, let's say, 25 years?
It is possible because the judge could have the option of life or the possibility of parole. So she could get out. Do I think that's going to happen? I don't, because Judge Stevens sat through the entire trial. She knows all the gruesome details, and there's really not a whole lot of mitigating evidence for Jodi. So I don't think she'll be getting out.
Okay, that's good news, at least to me. One more question. The defense aide, I guess, this week is no longer allowed to go back to the jail to see Jodi Arias because they're accusing her of taking something that she was not allowed to take out of jail. Tell us about that.
Well, when a defendant has a death penalty case, they're entitled to have a mitigation specialist. That person works with the defense to kind of gather all the reasons why this person should not get the death penalty. Well, in this case, the mitigation specialist took a drawing that Jodi Arias had made in jail. She took it out of the jail, and the jail, for some reason, said that it was contraband. There's got to be more to the story, because I don't understand how a picture could be considered contraband, because she's allowed to take drawings and statements out to put it in the file to present it to the jury. So right now, it just doesn't make sense. It could be just a power play that the jail is trying, or it could be something more.
All right, we'll keep following it. Thank you so much for coming on. I appreciate it. If you have a question for any of our hosts, either on KTAR or Arizona Sports, just shoot me an email. It's easy. shorttakes@ktar.com. I'm Stacey Brooks.